Mommy, can we please borrow the glitterizer?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, western Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:52 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Kingston Springs to 8 miles northwest of Mount Pleasant, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Forest Hills, Belmead, Thompson Station, Fairview, Bellevue, Santa Fe, Prim Springs, Williamsport, Leapers Fork, and Natchez Trace at Highway 96. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Pinkalicious and Peterific is made possible in part by Target believes that the power of play and the joy of everyday life are all around. Target is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids. Read me the tale of a faraway land. Tell me of planets with oceans of sand. Take me to places my passions pursue. Teach me to read, and I'll teach someone too. Homer is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
Keep curiosity running. Kiddie Academy Educational Childcare.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Sing along with Pinkalicious and Peterific.
A piece of love here, a piece of love there. You can feel it in the air. On Valentine's Day, there's always a way to show someone just how much you care. There are so many ways to show it. Find someone you love and let them know it. There are so many ways to share just how much you care. There are so many, so many, so many ways.
Watch Pinkalicious and Peterific every day on PBS Kids and on the PBS Kids video app.
Mom's phone says we can't go hike the trail 'cause it's a 300-pound PBS Kids Animal Alphabet. S is for sea otter. Sea otters live along the Pacific coast and spend most of their time in the water. They even sleep there, snuggling up so they won't drift apart. The sea otter on PBS Kids Animal Alphabet.
Hello there. Today on Sesame Street, we're going to find out all about veterinarians. That's an animal doctor.
That's me.
Excuse me?
Oh, I'm an animal, and I'm a doctor. See? Well, actually, I'm playing a dog tour. You get it? Dog tour.
I'm sorry, but a veterinarian is not an animal who's a doctor. It's a doctor who takes care of animals.
Oh.
So find out more about veterinarians today on Sesame Street.
As a proud sponsor of Sesame Street, Beach's all-inclusive family resorts encourages sharing, caring, and being truly inclusive. Because opening our arms and our hearts to everyone, that's the true meaning of Generation Everyone.
Blue Lizard, proud sponsor of Sesame Street, cares that everyone plays safe in the sun.
Sesame Street is brought to you in part by Chrysler and the Chrysler Pacifica. Because everything's A-OK when learning and fun come together as one.
As a proud sponsor of Sesame Street, Entertainment is on a mission to protect, educate, and care for the world we all share.